I love this desk. It's huge. It's huge. But one of the things that I liked about it is it's coming with this table rack mount. And so we'll game on the middle one, and we'll use like the left one for additional gaming, whatever up on the left side. So reference material for your game in case you need it. For those of you playing a game that's like detail oriented, like Path of Exile, your spreadsheets, right? On the left side. Here's what this gaming desk can look like in a nice setup. Here, let's like really get in there. Let's really get in there. Got controllers. I don't know. I'm trying to see what game that is. I got the double monitor. See, now we have less FPS zone right here. So I would probably take this system and put it on the floor. Just like we have more space up there at the table. It's got like this cup holder and these hooks on the side. I'll probably put the hooks on, but one of the cool things about it, here's another shot, is that the whole table acts as a mouse pad. So you don't need one. Look at the cable management. That is not realistic. And like, where are their cables? That is another thing, the cable management here. Oh, it looks like there is a little box in the back for some cable. 14 by 32 inch, which can also rotate, as you can see. Carbon fiber surface, durable, easy to clean. You have an outlet organizer, like I was saying, in the back. Oh, it does give you a gaming handle rack for your controller. That's a nice little bonus, you know? I didn't even consider that. There are the specs for it too. Want to take a tape measure in your room, make sure it's going to fit. So this is the desk.
Gaming creators, really quick, before you do anything else, enter to win our Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, $1,100 in gear. We're giving away for $0. Link in the description below. It includes this exact audio setup you hear me on right now. It's the one we use on the podcast every single day. If you want to sound this good, this is live, by the way. This is not an edited video. This is the way it actually sounds. Let me just show you the bundle. It's freaking amazing. The bundle includes this microphone, shock mount, and boom arm. Plus, it includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which is arguably the best creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license if you want to help grow that YouTube channel faster. Plus, our friends over at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow your stream faster. Rode hookup, TubeBuddy hookup, Restream hookup. They all just wanted to give you guys gear to help you succeed and software to help you succeed for free. So here you go. Link in the description below. Enter for your chance to win. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you guys can maybe pick this package up and increase your quality and increase your chances of growing faster with the tools and gear that we use every single day to grow, and hopefully you can use to grow as well. Link below. Go do it. Thank you.